Fidelity Quotes. Fidelity Quotes refer to real-time or delayed stock, bond, mutual fund, and other investment prices provided by Fidelity Investments. Fidelity offers investors access to market data, helping them track asset performance, analyze trends, and make informed investment decisions. Whether you're trading stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, understanding how Fidelity Quotes work is crucial. 1. Fidelity provides real-time and delayed quotes. Fidelity offers real-time stock quotes to active traders and delayed quotes to general users. Real-time quotes update instantly, showing the latest bid and ask prices, while delayed quotes may lag by 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the security and exchange. Second, types of quotes available on Fidelity. Investors can access different types of quotes, including stock quotes, prices for publicly traded stocks; mutual fund quotes, net asset value of mutual funds; ETF quotes, prices for exchange-traded funds; options quotes, market prices for options contracts; bond quotes, prices for corporate, municipal, and government bonds. 3. How to access Fidelity Quotes. To view Fidelity Quotes, users can log into their Fidelity account and search for a stock or fund ticker symbol. Fidelity's online platform and mobile app provide interactive charts, market summaries, and bid-ask spreads for better analysis. Fourth, Level 1 Versus. Level 2, Market Data. Fidelity offers Level 1 quotes, basic bid-ask prices, for free, and Level 2 quotes, detailed order book data, for advanced traders. Level 2 data provides deeper insight into market liquidity and price movements, useful for active traders. 5. Fidelity Quotes for mutual funds and ETFs. Unlike stocks, mutual fund prices update once per trading day after the market closes. ETF quotes behave like stock quotes, fluctuating throughout the trading session based on market supply and demand. 6. Additional trading tools and market insights. Fidelity provides more than just quotes. Investors can access technical analysis tools, financial news, earnings reports, and analyst ratings to support trading decisions. Fidelity also offers customizable watch lists for tracking multiple securities. 7. Fidelity Quotes and Trading Execution. While quotes provide market price insights, the actual trade execution price may differ due to market fluctuations, order type limit, market, stop loss, and trading volume. Fidelity ensures fast and reliable trade execution for investors. Fidelity Quotes are an essential tool for tracking investment prices and making informed trading decisions. Whether monitoring stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, investors can use Fidelity's real-time and delayed market data for effective portfolio management. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to Fidelity Investments today? Click on the link in the description below.